Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a paper MC Minecraft server. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you have Java. I'll link this in the description of the video. You'd click download and you would just start your download. I recommend that you have 64-bit Java if you want to create your server. But yeah, first things first, yeah, you just get that. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is go to this website here, which is papermc.io. I'll also link this in the description. You press download, and we'll get the latest version. We will wait for this to download. I'll take this out of full screen here. You can keep this because it's from a trusted source. Put this on our desktop. We will create a new folder. Sorry. We'll just name this paper server. You don't have to name it that. You can name it whatever you want. Take this, put it in paper server. Open up the file. Sorry, this opened on my other screen. But now you have this here. You are just going to name this. It might not matter what you name it, but I'm pretty sure you should name it server. That way it's just named server.jar. I'm sorry, my background just killed itself. We'll open it with Java. Now, it should give us some extra files when it's opened and whatnot. I don't know if that opened itself. Double click on it, make sure it's opening. There we go. This should give us the server.properties, EULA, and a couple of other things, which is what we need. Just give it a minute to do its thing. There we go, logs. Server.properties and the EULA. I don't know if it has anything else it's going to put in. But we're going to click the EULA, and you open this. I recommend you read this. By changing these settings below to true, you are indicating that your agreement to our EULA at this website. You will also agree that tacos are very tasty. And the best food in the world. Alright, there we go. Now you just type true. You would save it like this. Close that. Now you run this again. Just wait for this to start. And yeah, I will probably lag here in a second. So I will catch you guys. Actually, no. We'll just let it do its thing for now. Now I'm going to move this down here, or actually to my other screen for the time being, due to the fact that my IP address can be shown here, and that's something I don't want to show. So now you can see it's creating all of these different files and amazing things. Firewall is a Windows security alert. This is a trusted source from this actually right here, Java TM SE binary. This might have just come in from my Minecraft, but if you guys get this to show up, just press allow because it's a trusted source. And there you go. Now, let me move this over here. We're just going to wait for the server to completely start up. I'm also going to delete a crap ton of things off my server list really quick, so you guys see the best experience ever. Here we go. Now, you're going to add a server. We'll put the server address, which is, this isn't port forwarded, meaning your friends can't join it, but I'll probably make a video on that. We'll type 0, name it whatever you want. I'll just name this paper server. There you go. Put the resource packs to enabled. This isn't required, I just recommend it. Refresh. There you go, a Minecraft server. You can join it. And you guys are probably going to lag out really hard here in a second. Probably already have lagged out really hard. I'm just going to put my render distance on its lowest. But anyways, this is that. That's how you make the Paper MC server. This is first of all steps. This is completely playable now. You can do whatever you want on this server. But I'm also going to show you guys how to add plugins and whatnot to your Minecraft server. So, let's disconnect from there. And you go over here. You might not have even seen this, but there's a little text bar you can type here. Just type stop. And that should automatically turn off your Minecraft server. As you can see if I refresh, server's not there. Now that we have done that, let's just look up Essentials. We'll just look up Essentials X. And I'm going to download this plugin because it's a good plugin to have on your server. I do recommend it. There's a ton of special things that you can do. We'll download it. And as you can see, it comes like this. So this one came in a zip, which is a little bit different, but that's probably because it comes with most likely everything. So it probably has like a ton of different things in it, like Essentials Chat, Essentials Anti-Build, like all these different things are probably in there, as you can see. So the reason this opened with WinRAR is because I have the application installed. This application is not required whatsoever. We're going to open the plugins over here, by the way. So right here, you open that up. And I'm just going to get Essentials and just drop it in. And now we have Essentials in that folder. Now, all we need to do is, I can close out of this. There we go. Go back. And if you can find your server.jar anymore, you open up your server.jar. And yet again, this starts the server for you. And I'll get to you guys when it's started. Okay, and now that we have our server booted up, you can join it. And I think the first thing that we would want to do is /op, and then, or don't put the slash in there, op, and then your username, _farmer. There we go. Press enter. I've already gave myself operator, but I'm going to be showing you guys a few really cool things that you can do with plugins. Like this is Essentials. I recommend everybody has this plugin on their server. A lot of people are anti-Essentials though, and I don't understand. But here we go. I'll give you an example on what you can do. You can type /speed, and then we'll give myself speed 2. As you can see, my speed changes from the default walking speed in Minecraft, which is 1. Like that. It changes. You can even put your speed up to 10. And there's definitely a difference there. But yeah, that's how you get a plugin on your Minecraft server. And yeah, so now I will show you guys how to do MOTD. So if you'd like to see what MOTD is this right here where it says a Minecraft server. This is message of the day. Of course, it isn't just a daily thing. You can change it whenever you want, and it stays there permanently. But yeah, we will go and change our MOTD. So, really quick, we're going to open up the server.properties. And if this shows up for you, you're going to open it with Notepad, or whatever Notepad system you use. MOTD, which should show up over here somewhere. Let's see where it is. So we just scroll down until we can see MOTD. I don't know if they say message of the day, but okay, there we go. See where it says a Minecraft server? I'm going to just show you guys something you can do. I'll also link this website in the description of the video. But yeah, with this website here, it shows us all of these MOTD color codes, which right here, let's say we want to use pink. We'll copy this, go over here to our MOTD, and we'll just type something like Clark's Amazing Server. Put a couple exclamation marks on there. Now you want to save. Exit out of there. I don't think this automatically happens without restarting. Okay, there we go. So we're just going to type stop, and I'm going to start the server right back up. I'll get to you right then. Okay, and now that our server is back online, you can check this out. It says Clark's Amazing Server to whatever you changed it to, using those MOTD color codes if you decided to use those. But now we can just open this up like so. And yeah, the server still works just fine. That's how you do MOTDs. I also wanted to test something really quick. I've never tried this before. I do want to see if it works. MOTD Clark is cool. Dang it. If I just type MOTD, it should show me the usages, right? Okay, so that didn't work. But that's how you set up MOTDs in your server.properties. Now I'm going to show you guys how to set up a server icon. Like, as you can see on this server, it has this very special image right there. I'll show you guys how to do that. So yeah, give it just a second and I'll have that to you. So to get a custom server icon, you need an image, and that image needs to be a 64 by 64. That's the resolution, and it has to be named server icon, server dash icon, and I believe it has to be a PNG file. So first thing we're going to do is get our server folder here, and we're just going to put this server icon in there, which mine's just a grass block. Now that we have server dash icon in there, I believe we can just start the server, just like so, and I'll get to you guys when the server is started. Okay, and now that you have your server all started up, you can go to your server list. Your server should already be on there. Once you refresh, as you can see, you have a custom server icon. And now we can just still play the server and everything, as you can see. Boom, server still 100% working. Now, that is how you get a server icon, MOTD, and all of these amazing things. Thanks for watching the video. If you need any help, just drop a comment on the video and I will see what I can do to help you. But I did want to say something. Last video that I made, or a certain video that I made about how to make a Minecraft server, I kept getting a lot of repetitive comments. So I would like you guys to read some of the comments and see if I've gotten answers for your problem, instead of just dropping a comment instantly. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like. If it worked for you, drop a comment, tell everybody it worked. And yeah, thanks for watching.